Write the locus of a point, the sum of whose distance from the coordinate axis is unity. So let us consider the point. Let P, H, K such that the sum of whose distances from the coordinate axis, that's x-axis and y-axis, is unity. Unity means 1. So we can write here mod h plus mod k is equal to 1. Since the point can be anywhere on the coordinate axis, either first quadrant, second quadrant, third or fourth, or on the axis, but it's a distance whose distance, the sum of whose distances will be equals to 1. Suppose here h comma k is the point, so h plus k is equal to 1. So we will apply the mod whether it can be in any quadrant. Hence the locus of such point is mod x plus mod y is equal to 1. Mod x plus mod y is equal to 1, which represents the four straight lines. X plus y is equal to 1, x minus y is equal to 1, minus x plus y is equal to 1, and minus x minus y is equal to 1. So these four straight lines represented on the graph on the coordinate axis, which forms a square because the diagonals are equal and they make equal intercepts on coordinate axis. So which represents a square. Hence we can say the locus of such point is a square. Okay. Please like, share, subscribe and support us. Thank you.